I'm Jennifer Liu, chiropractor at 360 Wellness in Melbourne. I graduated from the University of Melbourne with a Bachelor of Science, majoring in pharmacology. During my studies at the university, I realised that my values of health were not congruent to my studies. I wanted a more proactive approach to health rather than a reactive one, hence why I changed my profession to a chiropractic one. I've been a CAA member since the first year of RMIT. Through the 5-year course, I have participated in CAA student workshops, had access to a CAA mentor and networking opportunities, access to free guild insurance, as well as having access to transition to practice workshops. In the year 2011, I was very fortunate to be supported by CAAs to travel to Brazil to represent RMIT at the World Congress of Chiropractic Students. And on this platform, we were able to represent Australian chiropractic on an international and global level. Students need to know that to get the most of their chiropractic career, they need to invest in the association that invests in them, so you can do what you do best in practice. The reward that I get as being a chiropractor is knowing that we are enhancing and restoring the lives of the people that come into our office, so they too can be a positive influence on the lives that they impact on.